In this video, we will be looking at Docker installation on CentOS 7 using extra repository. We have already seen how to install using the official repository, then by using the script. Now we are looking how to install using the extra repository. It is one of the easiest one method. Here what we are going to do, just we are going to straightaway run this command yum-y install docker. Then we will enable temporarily the Docker service and then permanently. Then we will check with this command. So now we are moving towards our practical. So we will power on our cloned VM. Again, your internet should be running. So we are booting. I will log in as a root and the password that we have given during the installation. So root 1 2 3 4 5 6. Straightway I will clear the screen. yum-y install docker. Now it is downloading certain dependency packages also. So we have to here Docker is going to install some version which is not equivalent to that Docker CE version. We will see which version it is going to install. In this case, what it is doing, it is using the extra or EPL repository. From there it is downloading. So sometimes the version might be little bit older. So again it is downloading. That means we need to run only one command. Second command will be enabling the service, and the third command for permanently enabling the. Now it is installing all the thing. We will clear the screen. Again we will see whether straightway our command is working or not. No. So what we have to do? System ctl start docker then we will see enable. I will clear the screen. Again we will check. Now look at this version is later 1.313. Normally enterprise Docker will be having this type of version. So when we are installing using the extra method, the version will be little bit different. Now, and if you are going to install through the script or official repository, version will be something 18.06 C version. So no issue. Mostly in our cases, we will be using the first method. We will be using the Docker that we have installed by using the first method. That means by using the official Docker repositories. So we are powering off this system. So we were able to install Docker by using all the three methods.